Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today's class is a morning yoga class to have calm, clarity, so you can start your day focused and energized. So roll out your mat, go at your own pace. Let's get started. Let's come standing on the top of the mat. Just take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in again. This time, as you breathe out, just let go of anything that's disturbed you, allowing it to just float away. Breathe in again. And breathe out, just being here on the mat, focusing on what you would like from your practice, because whatever you focus on is where your energy flows. And as you're here, maybe your eyes are closed or you've got a soft gaze on a point, just thinking about how you want your day to go with calm, clarity, feeling energized, ready for your day. So gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. Let's come to the top of the mat. We're going to start off with salutations to the sun, or Surya Namaskar. So just breathing in and stretching up. And then as you breathe out, just coming back as far as you can, breathing out. And then bringing your hands to your thighs or your knees and just breathing in, looking up, breathing out, curving your spine, looking down, breathing in, look up, breathe out, curving your spine, looking down, breathe in, look up, breathe out, curving your spine and just coming down, just hanging here. Maybe doing yes and no with your head, yes and no with your head. And then just taking a breath here, placing your hands flat on the mat. Now bend your knees if that's not possible for you. And then you're going to take one foot, the other foot back. Then you're just going to pedal your feet. Maybe push down your heels now. You don't need to be touching the mat if they can't. And then raising one leg up, maybe taking it behind you, opening up the hip, and then just taking that foot in front, breathing in, stretching up, breathing out, coming down, taking that front leg back, taking the other leg up, bringing it behind you, opening up the hip, then bringing that foot in front of you, breathe in, stretch up, breathe out, calm down, take that foot back, and then just taking those heels towards the mat, feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your legs, then taking one foot towards your feet, the other foot towards your feet, and then you're going to come up, bend your knees and sitting back like you're sitting in a chair. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Lift up your heels if you can, or keep them flat on the mat. And then coming up slowly, arms up in the air, then bringing your hands to prayer. Take a breath here and breathe out. And then coming again, seated, like you're sitting on the chair again. This time bringing your hands in prayer to your heart and then just crossing over. Now you can stay here or bring your arms out to the side and then bringing the hands back to your heart center. Let's go over to the other side, sitting back in your chair, coming into a twist, staying here, bringing the arms out, stretching, bringing the hands back to the heart center, taking a deep breath here. And then coming down to seated. Close your eyes or have your gaze on a soft point. Just taking a moment here as you've moved your body, feeling that energy, clarity, breathing deeply, calming down now, thinking about your day, whatever you would like for your day, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So when you focus on what you would like, then that's where your energy will flow to. So think about your day. Think about what you would like for your day. Feeling that your day is smooth sailing. Whatever it is that you would like. Allowing your day to flow with ease and joy. And then gently opening your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I look forward to practicing with you again. Do share this with anybody you feel that would love to have calmness, clarity for their morning, for their day. And until next time, I look forward to practicing with you again. Namaste.